In this video, I will show you how to log in and create an account and register on Whatnot app. So open Whatnot first, and after that you have three options. For me, I will continue with Google. I will choose an email. So for example, I choose this one. It's going to take me to another page, and right now here I have to add my number and click send code. I have to wait. After that, they will told me to add my country. Click continue, and right now your name, I will just skip this and click here and click next, and I will choose my gender, continue, and right now I will choose what do you like to shop for. I will just choose these things randomly, click next and next again, and that's all guys. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.